Hello everybody, it is Sarah from Sarah Strings and Things, and today I want to talk about the strings. So I wanted to know if you guys could really tell the difference between these two circles on which one was done with a chain 5 as opposed to a magic ring. So for the longest time, I didn't know how to do a magic ring, and I did a chain 5 on everything. And I would just do the chain of 5 and then slip stitch into the very first chain and then, you know, crochet into the center of the circle. And I did that for the longest time, and I just recently, like a few months ago, learned how to do the magic ring. I was just some weird hang up in my brain. I don't know if I'm dyslexic or what, but we'll get into that. But anyways, if you don't know how to do the magic ring, I just wanted to let you know that there's not that big of a difference. I don't even know if you're going to be able to tell which one of these is done in a chain 5 and which one is done in a magic ring. So I went ahead and sewed each one of them in the back as tight as I could. I just went around and did that in each one of these. And there's not that big of a difference. So let me know if you could tell the difference, because I'm about to tell you. Drum roll. This one is a magic ring, and this one is a chain 5. And I guess there is a slight change, a difference. It does look a little bit bulky right here. But like I said, I did this for years and it doesn't look bad. And for instance, I have a hat right here that I made a long time ago. I haven't even sewed anything up. It was going to be a monster hat. I make monster hats, but this is when I did a chain 5. And like I said, I haven't sewed this together yet, but this is a good example. So it's kind of bulky right here, but it's still got like a nice big hole, but it's the same. And I feel like we all started here. And there's no shame in not knowing how to do a magic ring. And you would just take this string right here and you're going to sew it in there, and you're going to do it really, really, really tight. And when you do that, when it's super tight, you can't tell the difference. I felt like this was so more secure for the longest time than a magic ring. Now I feel pretty confident in the magic ring, but I just wanted to let you guys know that there really isn't that big of a difference. So if you're struggling to make the magic ring, don't worry about it. I'm sure you'll get there, and I'm sure I'll do a video on my hang up on it and why I struggled on it, and how I got past that hang up, because it was something so simple. So anyways, that's it. I just wanted to know if you guys could really tell the difference, because there's not a big difference. And I think they both look good regardless of which way you do it. So that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.